didn't know I had sleep apnea. My mom told me I had sleep apnea. I was asleep at her house about 6 years ago, sleeping in the guest room, the same way I always do, just like this. Ha. Ha. And I woke up, my mom's at the foot of the bed like this. Oh my God, Jose. You're dying. I go, Mom, I'm not dying, I'm snoring. Joseph, that is not snoring, you look like this. Joseph, you have to go to a doctor and get that checked out. I'm telling you, you're going to die, and I don't want you to die, Joseph, because I'll die of heart attack if you die. Oh my God, Joseph, get that. Mom, I'm not gonna go to a doctor for snoring. How long are you watching me? That's creepy. And I kicked her out. Get out of here. Get out of here, Mom. I'm sorry, Joseph. I did not mean to startle you. It's just that I was walking to the kitchen and I heard a noise coming from the guest room. It sounded like someone was killing a bear. And I was like, I don't have a bear. So I opened the door and I noticed that it was just you, Joseph. Snoring. So I'm sorry. You don't have to go to a doctor. Just go to sleep. Go to sleep. And die. So I went back to sleep. Same shit. Ha. 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 And I woke up. Ha. 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 My mom's at the foot of the bed with a fucking camcorder. I got it all on videotape. You fucking recorded me? Joseph, I put it on videotape. That way you can see what I'm talking about, Joseph. It's not right. Watch the videotape. You'll go to a doctor, Joseph. Please watch it. I'm like, all right, Mom, I'll watch the videotape. I can't believe you recorded me, Mom. Just watch the tape. All right, put it in. And she put the tape in. Before she pressed play, this is what my mom did. Everybody come downstairs. We're going to watch Joseph sleep. It's scary. She pressed play. I watched it. It's the creepiest video you'll ever see. It's shot in that black light. You know what I mean? Like that surveillance video shit. It's pitch dark in the hallway. My mom can't even see herself. She's just standing in front of the camera and she's documenting the whole thing like she's on Discovery. We're outside my son's room. He says that he is snoring, and I told him that he is not snoring. So I'm going to get this on videotape. That way he'll see it and then go to a doctor. Let's take a closer look. I watched the videotape. It's horrible. It's horrible. And I saw myself sleep and I couldn't believe it. I ended up going to a sleep center. I had to go there. They had to monitor my sleeping behavior. You know what I mean? The doctor put all these wires on my toes, these wires on my fingertips, these chest pads to monitor my heart. They put this crown on my head to monitor my brain waves. When the doctor put all that shit on me, he was like, all right, you can sleep now. And I was like, are you fucking kidding me? I look like a Christmas tree. But I fell asleep. I can sleep in any situation back then, man. And I fell asleep. The doctor let me sleep about 15 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. And he kicked the door open. Scared the shit out of me. Like he literally kicked the door open, like, get up. I was like, piss. He goes, how long have you been sleeping like this? I go, my whole life. He goes, holy shit. Because I'm surprised you're not dead yet. I go, why? He goes, you sleep like a 400-pound obese man. I go, are you serious? He goes, yeah, I'm serious. We monitor how many times you wake up a minute. You want to know how many times you wake up a minute? I go, how many times? He goes, 60 times a minute. There's only 60 seconds in a minute. That means I've been sleeping like this my whole life. Ka, 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 ka. He wanted to perform surgery that week. He goes, I want to cut your soft palate out and your tonsils out. That way you breathe better. You have a passage, an open passage for you to breathe better. And I was like, well, how long is the healing process? He goes, about 3 months. I go, I can't do that. I'm on the road every week. I can't do that. He goes, well, there's an alternative. I go, what? He goes, a CPAP machine. Yeah, a CPAP machine. If you don't know what a CPAP machine is, I have to wear this mask on my face. All right, these two straps go behind my head. It looks like I have a jock strap on my face. This hose goes out into a machine. I press power, it blows air down my throat. But when I wear it, I sleep like an angel. Just brrrr. Every now and then, I'll knock the straps out. It's like a scene from Aliens. I don't tell any girl about this machine until the first night we do it. Because if I tell her before, it's a deal breaker. No girl is gonna sleep with a guy with a fucking machine next to his bed. She walks into the room and she sees that machine, she's like, what the fuck is that? And I just look at her and go, how are you feeling?